this look. Super easy, under 10 minutes, other than the makeup, of course. But I'm gonna show you how to get this quick and easy install using this headband wig, so stay tuned. Hey beauties, I'm back with another video, and today's hair is from UNice Hair. They sent me this bomb straight headband wig, which is so pretty. It's like this dark brown color. It looks lighter because I have all my lights on, but it's very natural looking. It matches my hair, and we have all of these different scarves that it came with. Let me show you guys. They gave me options, honey, options, so we can match it with whatever outfit we got going on. It's not matching my shirt right now. We also have this sparkly headband wig, so let's see how that looks on me. Let's see. I might have to change. So this wig has these little straps here, so you can adjust it based on your head size. And it also has some clips in here that you can clip your hair down. They actually hurt my head, so I don't wear them. I don't really like tuck in the clips, but to each his own. So first I am going to work on these baby hairs. I got my braids under here for my wig cap, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of Got to Be Glue, and we're gonna make it work. I just put a little bit on each little section of hair that I'm gonna do the swoops. baby hairs and you're good to go. It looks really natural. As you can see, my baby hair is here, and then we got the little band behind it, but it's looking good, y'all. This hair is so soft and it doesn't have any shedding or tangling. Look, there's nothing coming out. This headband wig is everything, y'all, for real. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, show your support. I would appreciate it. Give your girl a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Until my next video, peace.